Have you ever wondered how to perfectly cook a lobster? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the culinary world to master the art of preparing this luxurious seafood staple. First things first, choose a lobster. The fresher, the better. Look for lively, energetic lobsters that have their claws taped shut. Now keep in mind, a 1.5 to 2 pound lobster usually serves one person. Before the actual cooking begins, remember to put the lobster in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. This step is crucial as it numbs the lobster, making the process more humane. Moving on to the cooking process, fill a large pot with water, enough to completely submerge the lobster. Add 2 tablespoons of salt for every quart of water, bringing it to a rolling boil. Once the water is boiling, gently place the lobster headfirst into the pot. Cover it and let it cook. A rule of thumb is to boil the lobster for about 12 to 15 minutes for the first pound, and then add an extra 8 to 10 minutes for each additional pound. While the lobster is cooking, prepare a bath of ice water. After the lobster has been boiled, immediately plunge it into the ice bath. This stops the cooking process and keeps the meat from becoming tough. Now comes the fun part, cracking the lobster. Start by twisting the claws off. Then use a nutcracker or lobster cracker to crack the claws and remove the meat. Twist the tail from the body and push the flippers off from the tail end. Then, using a fork, push the tail meat out in one piece. Don't forget about the body. There's plenty of sweet, succulent meat in there too. Simply pull apart the shell and dig in to find it. To sum up, remember these key steps. Choose a lively lobster, numb it in the freezer, boil in salted water, plunge in ice bath post-boiling, and then crack and enjoy. Cooking lobster may seem intimidating, but it's actually quite simple once you get the hang of it. So why not take the plunge and impress your friends at your next dinner party? After all, there's nothing quite like a